Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by equipping the egg and moving straight to a high-density coin zone. This gives immediate value from the first use. Once in position, activate the egg to trigger its coin attract effect and push toward the nearest clustered target so pickups stack. Make sure to monitor the egg cooldown and your inventory space. If you can chain 2 activations quickly, you'll bank more coins before opponents interfere. Move deliberately, not slowly, to lock early advantage. Once you have momentum, combine egg activations with movement buffs or mounts to sweep larger areas faster and collect coin spawns before others reach them. Target higher value coin mobs first because they return more per activation. This increases efficiency per cooldown. Make sure to reposition after each activation so you hit fresh spawns and avoid contested lanes. If you're playing with teammates, ping high-value zones and time your egg use together to monopolize coin wave. You finish by securing coins at a cash node or bank immediately after a big sweep so opponents cannot steal them. Timing the return during egg cooldown is ideal. If the egg breaks or fails, swap to a backup item and resume. Many losses come from not having a contingency. Make sure to check for known pickup or cooldown bugs. If pickups stop registering, relog or reset your UI once, and then retry the sequence to restore normal collection and complete the run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.